Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to fix Snapchat connection error. So if you are trying to log into your account and Snapchat showing you an error of connection, how you can fix it, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So to fix this error you have to follow this step. So first of all you have to open your Play Store and you have to search for the Snapchat. Once you will search for it, you have to update your Snapchat if it's not already up to date, and try to log into your account. Once you will do it, second way is that you can check your internet connection is strong. If you are using Wi-Fi, then you can convert your internet connection to cellular data, and if you are using cellular data, then simply shift to Wi-Fi. This is another way. Moreover, if this problem still not work for you, simply go to the settings of your phone, and here you have to click on the apps and the notification, and you have to search for the Snapchat right here. Once you will here, now you have to click on the storage and the cache and clear your cache from here and try to log in. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.